Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, juggling countless ingredients just to prep your meals for the week? What if I told you that you could build muscle, save money, and reclaim your time with just a few ingredients? That's right, folks. Welcome to the 5-ingredient challenge, where we're about to revolutionize your meal prep game. I'm Coach Hendricus, and I'm here to show you how to achieve those coveted muscle gains without breaking the bank or sacrificing your entire Sunday. Get ready to unlock the time-saving secrets that's been hiding in plain sight. It's time to say goodbye to complicated recipes and hello to simple, delicious meals that'll fuel your gains and keep your wallet happy. If you're anything like me, you're always on the hunt for ways to optimize your nutrition without spending hours in the kitchen or emptying your bank account. Today, we're diving into the 5-ingredient revolution. That's right, we're proving that you don't need a laundry list of fancy ingredients to create muscle-building meals that'll make your taste buds dance and your gains soar. Now, I know what you're thinking. Coach, budget-friendly doesn't exactly scream exciting in the culinary world. But hold on to your aprons because we're about to turn that notion on its head. We're going to whip up 3 mouth-watering meals that are not only easy on the wallet, but also packed with flavor and nutrients. And for all you time-crunched parents and working professionals out there, I've got some nifty tricks up my sleeve to save you precious minutes in the kitchen. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be meal prepping like a pro and wondering why you ever thought you needed more than 5 ingredients to make magic happen. So are you ready to revolutionize your meal prep game? Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with our protein-packed chicken and veggie tray bake. This bad boy is going to be your new best friend. Here's what you'll need. Chicken breast, sweet potatoes, broccoli, olive oil, and your favorite seasoning blend. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, chop your sweet potato into cubes and cut the broccoli up into florets. Arrange them in a large baking sheet. Next, place your chicken breast on top of the veggies. Drizzle everything with olive oil and sprinkle your seasoning blend generously. Don't be shy, this is where the flavor magic happens. Pop this into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are tender. And voila! You've got a protein-packed, nutrient-dense meal that'll fuel those gains. Pro tip, make a double batch and you've got lunches sorted for the week. How's that for efficiency? Now let's tackle a dish that sounds fancy but is surprisingly simple, our creamy chicken and mushroom risotto. Here's our 5-ingredient lineup. Arborio rice, chicken breast, mushrooms, chicken broth, and Parmesan cheese. Start by cooking your diced chicken in a large pan. Once it's nearly done, add in your sliced mushrooms and let them release their moisture. Now, add your arborio rice and stir it around to toast it slightly. Here comes the fun part. Start adding your chicken broth, 1 ladle at a time, stirring constantly. This is where you can practice your stirring arm for those bicep gains. Keep adding broth and stirring until the rice is creamy and cooked through. Finally, stir in your grated Parmesan cheese for that ultimate creamy texture. And there you have it, a restaurant-worthy risotto that's packed with protein and complex carbs to fuel your workouts. Last, but definitely not least, we've got a hearty beef and chorizo pasta bake. This one's a real crowd pleaser. Here's what you'll need. Lean ground beef, chorizo, pasta, any shape you like, canned tomatoes, and cheese, mozzarella or cheddar work great. Start by browning your ground beef and chorizo in a large pan. While that's cooking, boil your pasta according to the package instructions. Once your meat is browned, add in the canned tomatoes and let it simmer for a few minutes. Drain your pasta and mix it into the meat sauce. Transfer everything to a baking dish. Top with a generous amount of cheese and pop it under a broiler until the cheese is melted and bubbly. This dish is a protein powerhouse that'll keep you satisfied and ready to crush your next workout. Now, let's talk about keeping these meals budget friendly. Here are some pro tips. 1. Buy in bulk. Things like rice, pasta and chicken are often cheaper in large quantities. 2. Use frozen veggies. They're just as nutritious and often cheaper than fresh. 3. Substitute smartly. Don't have chorizo? Use bacon or skip it altogether. No sweet potatoes? Regular potatoes work just fine. Remember, the goal is to make meal prep easier, not to stress over the exact ingredients. Use what you have and what fits your budget. When it comes to portioning, aim for a palm-sized portion of protein, a fist-sized portion of carbs, and load up on those veggies. For storage, invest in some good quality meal prep containers. They'll keep your food fresh and make it easy to grab on the go. Pro tip: freeze individual portions for those weeks when you're extra busy. Future you will thank present you. And there you have it, folks. 3 delicious budget-friendly muscle-building meals using just 5 ingredients each. We've proven that simplicity doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Remember, the power of meal prep lies in its ability to save you time, money, and mental energy throughout the week. By planning ahead and keeping things simple, you're setting yourself up for success, both in the kitchen and in the gym. Now, I know we've covered a lot today, and you might be thinking, Coach, this is great, but I need more guidance. Well, I've got you covered. At Better Balanced Nutrition, we've put together comprehensive recipe packs that'll take all the guesswork out of meal prep. These packs are designed for busy parents and working professionals in mind. They're full of simple, nutritious recipes that'll fuel your gains without consuming your life. If you have a specific goal in mind, we also have fully fledged nutrition programs that provide everything from shopping lists, meal plans, guidance, and tracking. Link in the description below. Also, if starting a nutrition plan with a specific goal in mind seems like an impossible task, or you simply need guidance to get started, head over to Better Balance Coaching to learn more about our personalized nutrition coaching. We work with your current eating plan to get you the results you're looking for without sacrificing the foods you love or completely upending your eating routine. Check it out in the description below. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got plenty more simple, effective nutrition and fitness tips coming your way. Remember, building muscle doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With the right strategy and a little bit of planning, you can achieve your fitness goals without sacrificing your time or your savings. This is Coach Hendricus signing off. Now get out there and start prepping those gains.